If you love keeping people happy, especially everyone around you and not yourself, this video is for you. Welcome back, and I'm Pujita Singh. Very often, right? Most of the times, I have seen, especially with women, she loves pleasing everybody. She loves keeping everybody happy around her. What happens with that? She compromises at the core of what she is. She lets go of what she is originally deep down within. Nobody gets to understand what is she at a core level. Doing this at times is absolutely okay, but doing this almost every single day is not okay. If you have compromised on the food choices, if you have compromised on your lifestyle choices, of course, it could be based on your situation, your financial condition, and much more. But if you like something at a core level, but you actually move to something else just to make other people happy in your life, stop doing that blunder, right? It will not eventually create any problem, but deep down, few years later, couple of years later, it will actually start reflecting in your frustration levels. It will start reflecting in the anger levels. It will start reflecting in your inner conflict with you yourself. Nobody will get to understand why is this person behaving this way. And this is a very common problem that every woman or most of the women does it to herself. Stop being a people pleaser. It's okay if you do it at times for your loved ones, just to keep them happy or just to ensure that you're avoiding all the ruckers around and having that peace environment. But don't change your inner values just to ensure that you fit into others' life. You fit into others' world. Where is your world in your own self? Right? Very often, this is what we end up doing each day. You know what is the biggest reason of not being happy with ourselves or not being happy in life in itself? Is this is what she does. She tries to keep adjusting to either spouse or in-laws or parents or siblings or friends or colleagues. She's everywhere as per what the world wants her to be. But if she changes at the core of what she is, it's gonna be really big damaging. Think about it. If there are certain core values of you as a person and you have changed that just to fit into someone's world, that's a fake thing to yourself. Right now, you might not understand. You'll be like, okay, that's fine. I'm just trying to help myself. I'm just trying to fit into, so that others like me, others love me. But all the issues, starting from mental health issues, will start reflecting in your compromise levels, your negotiations, your inner values, and everything that you do. Don't do this impact to yourself. It's okay once in a while. But if you start becoming people pleaser on a daily basis, it's going to be crazy. So much that you can't even imagine, right? So I have a request today. Please go back and understand where all you are compromising as a person. So if Pujita, myself, I don't like maybe wearing traditional stuff, but I'm doing it because I want to fit into this person's life. I want to make this person happy and stuff like that. Once in a while is all okay because we all stay in a social setup and stuff like that, but not at a majority level. You please do what is something that you like doing. Have a candid discussion with your life partner or with your loved ones. Tell them that this is something that's not working for you. You are dying from within. What's the point of living a fake life, right? Letting people know that, hey, I'm all happy, all great, but deep down you're not happy. And that only start reflecting in your choices, in the number of places where you compromised and places where you're not happy today. So please, it's a request, right? Start thinking about why there is an inner conflict. It's because you have faked a lot just to adjust in the world where you have started living. So don't do this blunder to yourself, right? Think about it. Start making a list of things that you have actually negotiated and compromised at a big level, right? Smaller ones are absolutely okay, but the bigger ones, if you have compromised, like for example, if you loved studying, if you loved dancing, or if you loved singing, if you stop doing these things, it will start reflecting in your mental health. Don't do that. If you love doing something like, being an independent woman, do that. Start small, do consistently, and do every single day, or at least every alternate day. But don't stop. Because if you're trying to fit into others' world, tomorrow nobody will be responsible except you yourself. With that, thank you so much for listening me. Love you loads. Bye-bye.